Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today for dinner I'm cooking chicken wings, and for these chicken wings I'm going to start by cutting the chicken wings like this and removing the tip of the wings. I prefer them cut like this. You can leave them if you don't want to cut your chicken wings, but I prefer mine to be cut like this, where I've got two pieces, the little drumstick and the other part. After cutting the chicken wings, I'm going to wash them, and then in a bowl, I'm adding a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of ginger powder, a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, and a bit of salt, just a little pinch of salt, black pepper, and then soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Then I'm mixing the ingredients with the chicken wings. Make sure to mix very well. And now I'm going to add corn flour, about 2 tablespoons to 3 tablespoons of corn flour, and then mix together. The corn flour will give the chicken wings a nice crispy look to the chicken wings. After mixing the chicken wings like this, I'm going to add 1 egg. Just crack 1 egg and then mix very well. Mix very well. Mix very well. And then I am going to marinate these chicken wings for about 30 minutes. Marinate for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to put some Glad wrap on the top and put in the fridge and marinate for 30 minutes. In a oven bake tray, I'm going to put my chicken wings like this. So in total, guys, I've got 20 chicken wings in this tray, and then I'm going to put in the oven 220 degrees, fan forced, for about 30 minutes. So after 15 minutes, flip to the other side and then bake another 15 minutes. So in total, 30 minutes of baking. Just remember, guys, I'm using a fan forced oven. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.